I'm gonna kick your ass!
God. Oh no!
Why me?
What's the difference between me and you? You talk a good one, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel and never deal with emotions. I'm used to living big dog style with straight coaches.
What's up, you guys? How are we doing today? Today is gonna be so cool. We're gonna be doing, railfanning today. I'm with Trainiax Productions and Just Train Insane, and we have already seen a couple trains already, but I'm gonna get a really cool angle right now. I'm gonna go up these stairs a little bit and get a really nice shot. And I hope you guys enjoy the second vlog, and it's time to get our rail fanning on. Let's do it!
You untaught me, even when
Hey, Rich. Strike door of that! Smile, Richie. Come on, man, smile. Smile for the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Why are you so scared?
Oh. I was trying to pick some up my scanner.
I'm gonna kick your ass! What's up, you guys? I just got home from Brunswick, Maryland. I hope you guys are enjoying all my vlogs I've been doing lately. And if you are, comment down below and let me know. And keep liking my videos. And also, if you're new, welcome, I'm G-Man. Come subscribe to the channel right now if you want to keep seeing future content. I also wanted to say something right now. Oh yeah, I'm on my swing, by the way, if you see me swinging. The fidget spinner giveaway, since I got 100 subs, thank you so much. I'm still so happy. I have to save up a little bit more money to get all the fidget spinners I want to get for you guys, and I also wanted to tell you that there's going to be an update video coming up pretty soon about my channel, so to let you guys know about everything, what's going on in my life, and what's going on with this channel, and at some problems I've been having lately and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and go check them out. Go check out my buddies right now, Just Train Insane and Trainiax Productions. Trainiax Productions is in the description below, but I'll also put Just Train Insane as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is my second vlog. My next vlog, I'm thinking about going to Dulles by Mall, right close to my house. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Bye!